Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix can't log into your Snapchat on iPhone. Can't log into Snapchat on your iPhone? Don't worry, you are not alone. This troubleshooting guide will explain some of the most common reasons of Snapchat login issue and offer easy to follow solutions to get you back into your Snapchat account. So grab the iPhone and let's get started. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force close and relaunch the Snapchat on your iPhone. If you're unable to log into your Snapchat on your iPhone, force closing and relaunching the app can often help you to resolve the problem. While it may seem redundant, this simple step can clear any temporary data or glitches that could be preventing you from accessing your account. Open the app switcher on your iPhone and then swipe up on the window for Snapchat and relaunch the Snapchat and check if you can log in your account, and you are done. And the next step is reset Snapchat password on iPhone. If you have tried all of the troubleshooting steps and still are not be able to log into the Snapchat on your iPhone, it's time to reset your password. This may seem drastic. It's a surefire way to get back into your account in case you have forgotten your login details and are logged out of Snapchat account. For this, open Snapchat and then tap login and then tap forget your password. And then select if you want to reset the password via iPhone or email and enter your phone number or email and then tap on continue and follow the on-screen instruction to reset your password and you are done. The next step is update or reinstall Snapchat. For this, go to the App Store and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and check if an update for Snapchat is available. If an update is available, then tap update. If no update is available, you must reinstall the Snapchat. For this, tap and hold the Snapchat's icon on the home screen and then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm and then re-download it from the App Store and you are done. And the next step is check iPhone's network connection. Like any other social media app, Snapchat needs uninterrupted internet access to functions correctly on any device. To ensure network related issues are not preventing you from logging in, you must verify cellular data or Wi-Fi is on, then run an internet speed. In case the internet speed fails, you may want to enable airplane mode. For this, go to settings and then tap on the airplane mode's icon and then wait for 30 seconds and then tap on it again to disable it. It resolves issues related to the cellular network and you are done. And the next step is disconnect iPhone from VPN. For this, go to settings and then tap on the VPN and then tap on the status toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is check date and time settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on date and time. Toggle on select automatically if it is not turned on and you are done. And the next step is check for software updates. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of can't log into your Snapchat on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.